In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to N8N. This process can enhance your workflow automation by seamlessly integrating data between Excel and N8N, allowing for efficient data management and processing. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, we'll begin by creating a new workflow in N8N. Once you're logged into your N8N dashboard, find the option to create a new workflow. This is your starting point to set up an automated process that connects your Microsoft Excel data seamlessly. With your new workflow space ready, the next thing you want to do is focus on adding your starting point or trigger. Now, let's move on to incorporating the Excel node into this workflow. Go ahead and locate the search box. This is where you can find all the nodes you might need. In the search box, type in Microsoft Excel. Once it appears in the search results, simply click to add this node directly into your workflow. This will act as the bridge between your Excel data and the rest of your automation process. When you add the Excel node, a new window will open up. Here, you have multiple actions to choose from, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll focus on a popular option, appending rows to a table. This feature allows you to continuously add new data from N8N into a designated table in your Excel workbook, making it a perfect choice for workflows that involve regular data entry or updates. Once you select Append Rows to Table, be prepared for a new pop-up window. This is where you will set up the necessary credentials to establish a secure connection between N8N and your Microsoft Excel account. In this window, look for the Credentials section and find the drop-down list. You'll need to click on it to access the option to create a new credential. Establishing this connection is crucial as it allows N8N to interact with your Excel data securely. Next, click on the button that says Connect My Account. Doing so will prompt another window to appear, serving as the login interface for your Microsoft account. Enter the required information, your email and password, into the appropriate fields. After entering your credentials, click Next to proceed. This step will verify your credentials and finalize the connection between N8N and your Excel account, enabling you to start automating tasks immediately. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set with a functional integration between Excel and N8N. With this setup, your workflow is now capable of automatically appending data from N8N into your Excel tables, streamlining your data management tasks. And just like that, you've successfully connected Microsoft Excel to N8N. This integration offers a powerful way to automate data transfer and processing tasks. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you optimize your workflow automation with ease.